All right, guys, welcome back to another segment of Growth Tips, gaining realistic opportunities for wealth. Listen, I hope you've been enjoying these segments. I hope you enjoy our YouTube channel. And if you do, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video with a friend. Today, we're going to continue to dig deep into understanding your relationship with money, right? We want to make sure we have a good communication with our money. So let me break this down. You have something called gross income and net income. What is the difference? Your gross income is what we all make the mistake of budgeting off of, right? So our gross income is, let's just say, how much you make per year, $75,000 per year. That's what, about $6,500 a month that you're bringing, that you're grossing, right? But that's not the amount that you're actually bringing home. And the mistakes that so many of us make is we create a lifestyle and we budget our life based off of our gross income, when that is never the amount of money we actually see in our bank account. And sometimes, no matter what we make, we wonder, why the heck are we still living check for check? And this is the exact reason why. Because we are working off of our gross and not our net. Our net amount is the amount that we want to create a lifestyle off of. Our net amount is the amount that we want to budget our life off of. And so when we're talking about creating a lifestyle and budgeting off of our net income, we're talking about an important factor of how much do I actually see? How much actually hits my hand at the end of the week, at the end of 2 weeks, at the end of the month, every 1st and 15th, whatever it is, however you get paid, right? It's the net number, not the gross number, if you are a W-2 working employee. So the next question is, because I know most of you guys out there have something called ACH, right? And that's where you have direct deposit right into your account. You don't even receive a check anymore. You don't even know what the checks look like. And you're trying to figure out why, okay, well, if my take home biweekly, if my gross biweekly is supposed to be $3,000, then why am I only taking home $1,800? Why? Well, here's why. There's a multitude of things that comes out of your paycheck when you get paid. One, it's federal taxes. Federal taxes is going to come out of your paycheck. 2, state taxes. 3, local and county taxes. Now, if you work in one county and live in another, you may be getting doubly taxed, right? For instance, myself, I work in Montgomery County. That's where my office is located. So if I was a W-2 employee, then I'll be having, there'll be taxes coming out for Montgomery County and the fact that I'm a Philadelphia resident. Okay? And then you have something called FICA. And what FICA is the Federal Insurance Contributions Act. Okay? So FICA is the Federal Insurance Contributions Act. What the heck is Federal Insurance Contributions Act? And why is it coming out of my check? Well, it's your credits towards Social Security and Medicare. And every working class W-2, every working employee is supposed to contribute to Social Security and Medicare in some way. Now, for our business owners, they're supposed to be contributing on both sides, but that's a conversation for another day. Let's talk about this paycheck here, right? 6.2% of your gross income comes out of your check before you even touch it and goes towards FICA, which is your contribution for Social Security and Medicare. Okay? And so you have your federal taxes coming out, you have your state, local, and county taxes coming out, you have your FICA, or what we like to call your Social Security taxes coming out, and then you have your employee benefits coming out. Your employee benefits may be your health benefits. For instance, medical, Some of you guys have, free lawyers. All of those things are connected. Your 401k or 403b contributions, all of those things come out of your check before it hits your bank account or before it hits your hand. The number I typically like to use is about 60% of your actual gross income will be netted throughout the year. So when you're doing a budget, right, and you're trying to understand your earnings, if you have goals you're trying to accomplish and you don't really know how to do that, what you want to do is take 60% of what you actually make and assume that that is going to be the amount of money that you actually bring in. Okay? So listen, I hope this segment helped you out. There are so many people that are like, where the heck is my money going when I get paid? But remember, the most important topic, the most important part of today's segment is that your gross income is not your take-home income. That is your net income. So when creating financial goals, you want to ensure you create a goal based off your net take-home income. I hope you enjoyed this segment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video with a friend. In the meantime, keep your head up, believe in yourself, and remember you are only one opportunity away from achieving your wildest dreams.